Hello friend, my name is Ida. I will to tell you about simple present tense, past tense, and future tense. After that, I will to answer the question about that. And the first, I will to tell you about present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a verb form to state the fact, habit, or even that occurred at this time. The example: always, often, usually, every day or weeks, month, and so on. And the formula simple present tense is verb plus s or es in third person. The example: you speak English. And then the function of simple present tense is we use simple present tense if something is generally true. The example: the sun rises in the east. And then we use also simple present tense to talk about what happened. And the second, I will to tell you about simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to talk about a complete action in the time before known, an action or even in the past, or we can use simple past tense when the event completely finished. To use simple past tense, I have two formula for you. And the first, subject plus verb to. The example: I studied English every day. And the second, subject plus to be plus adjective or adverb. The example: it was rain yesterday. And they were very busy last week. And then the different to use was and were. You use was in the subject, I, he, she, it. And then if you want to use were in the subject, are, you, they, we. And then the third, what is the simple future? Simple future is used to describe job or action that will to do happen at future. And like a simple past tense, simple future have two formula too. And first, will plus verb. The example: you will help him. And the second, am, is, are plus going to plus verb. The example: you are going to help him. This later. Are different between will and be going to is if you want to use will, you can help him or not. The present tense is 50-50%. But if you want to use be going to, the present tense is 99%. Okay. And now I will to answer the question. And the first, how do people in your country celebrate New Year's? I usually in my country celebrate New Year's, turn on firework, convoy, and then hold a festival. We also blow the trumpet. And the second, what did you do last New Year? I was get her my big family in last year and turn on firework in front my house with my family, and then I was help my mom to cooking. And third, what will you to do celebrate the upcoming New Year's? I will hang out with my friend, traveling and eating together with my family, and I will to visiting special place in Lombok, my best friend. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry for my mistake. That's all. Thank you.